So I got some more new items for sale. Um, got some sheaths for the Esee Junglas, I think is how you say it. Um, Very similar to my Ontario Rat 7 sheaths. Um, this is actually part of a custom project I'm working on. This is a customer's knife, and it's pretty impressive. It's like a larger, nicer version of my Rat 7, much more comfortable handle with the scales rounded off. But as I said, I'm working on a custom project for this knife. Actually, the final thing I'm working on is a back-mounted concealed carry kind of sheath for it. A little tough to conceal a knife that size, but not impossible. Um, so I decided to go with this kind of a sheath design, very similar to the Rat 7. So I made some just regular belt sheaths for it to get the pattern dialed in. Because this type is actually a little bit tricky. It took me a few sheaths to get it right for the Rat 7. So um, did some regular ones for the Junglas just to make sure it all came out right. And they did. They'll have a nice fit. I did make a bunch of them. I just have the one here, but I've got several of these available with this one is the bear. I've got one with the wolf stamp, Thor's hammer, a flag, and a plain one. So if you're interested in those, you can check out the Etsy shop. The link will be down below. Also, my email is down there. Anything that I got on Etsy, that if you're interested in it, if you email me, instead of just buying it on Etsy is fine if you prefer to do that. Nothing wrong with that at all. But if you email me, and we set up a sale that way, it saves me the 10% fees, and I'll give you an extra couple bucks off, and also you won't have to pay sales tax, which is significant on some of the more expensive items. So I've got a bunch of these sheaths for the Junglas, optional dangler. It'll have the D-ring on it either way, but comes with the dangler if you want it hanging a little bit lower. So I've got a bunch of those. I'm actually working on a prototype for the back sheath also to make sure I've got the straps right on that, make sure it all works, which I think is going to come out pretty good. I'm actually just waiting for some buckles for that, but the prototype of that actually will be for sale pretty soon too, if anyone out there is interested in that. And I'll definitely have a video and show that off when that's done. The final one is going to be black and purple, hopefully with a waterfall carved on it, so pretty fancy. Got all kinds of other stuff on there on Etsy. Also, starting now, I'm having an extra little end of the month sale till the end of July. So select items will be 25% off through July 31st. So anything on there, you can check it out. And also the same applies. You can check out the prices on Etsy. Anything, if you're interested in, if you email me, and I'll send you an invoice and whatever, save me the fees. I'll save you the sales tax plus a couple bucks extra, or just buy it on there if you prefer to just do that if it's simpler. But that's pretty much it. So you can check out the shop. Send me an email with any inquiries or whatever. So thanks for watching. I'm definitely going to pick up some of these Etsy's myself one of these days. Definitely an SE4, maybe some of the bigger ones, one of these maybe. They're definitely nicer than the Ontario Rat knives. which are pretty good, but I do really appreciate that they rounded the scales off on these ones. Much nicer. So that's it. Thanks for watching.